everyone, my little barrish. Hello everyone, welcome to another Barrelicious videos. Hello my little bar burritos. Today, I'm beyond excited because in each videos that I've done, I always meant to mention Shanelle. And guess what? I found her in stock, in Storm. I can't believe it. Right here in my hands is the gorgeous Shanelle. Okay, thumbnail. Alright. Anyways, so this is Shanelle. Oh my gosh. So I managed to grab her. Obviously there was only one in stock because I found her straight away. She was the front one in front. And I wanted to check and see if there was another one around so I can compare it. But unfortunately, she was the only Shanelle. So this Shanelle was 49 Australian dollars. I found out that she's one of the most desirable dolls in the Shadow High line. I sort of figured that out because she was always unavailable. And yeah, I finally got my hands in it. Unfortunately, I couldn't compare it or anything, so hopefully she is a good one. I did have a look at her, even if she had some defects in the paint or whatever, I would still grab her. Yeah, so 49 bucks. Now we are going to obviously unbox her because I've been waiting 5 days to unbox her, and I just couldn't be bothered. Was that already? I have no idea if this is open or not. Looks like it was already open. Alright. Hopefully this doesn't take too long. Alright, so that's a comb. So a black comb with, it looks like glitter. Silver glitter. Good so well. I mean, you can't go wrong. Apparently compare any outfit with, you compare any other Monster High outfit on her and it'll just look good on her. And the fact that she is a dark doll, like very dark, but would work well with any outfit. Yeah, I see something minor, but like I said, you can easily clean that up with like water. Okay. Now I really don't want to. Surely I could just. Her hair, so soft. Wow, she just got 10 times better. The hair is so soft. Oh my goodness. Yes. Oh my gosh. Look. Her hair, guys. Oh my god, it's so good. Oh, it's so good. It feels very high quality. She's so good. However, yes, there is gel present in this doll. Just very little here. Just like right here. Tiny bit crunchy, but easily can be pushed out. Wow. Honestly, sorry Jill, but I think Shanelle takes her place as first on my list. Sorry Jill, at least you're second place. So it seems to me that she's got the same sort of color stand. Oh no, that's a lie. It's a little darker than Ash's. But hey, nicely prepared for it. Now, here she is. So she's got long black hair with a streak of silver, which turns blue in the dark. I don't know. It goes blue a little bit in the dark, but anyway. Alright, she's got a bow up the top here. A bow that seems to be... Oh no, it's a hair tie. The bow hair tie. Keeping in a bun. I mean, no, ponytail. Yeah, and there's her eyes, like her eyes. And her dress, it's really strange body. So I don't know the quality of most, I mean the quality, the material of the clothes. But it seems to me these loose threads are intentional. And it's so weird, it's so unique. It's like a layered skirt, a layered dress with like a first layer and the second layer. Oh, okay, so it's a layered dress, but it's got like a first layer, and then there's another dress on top. Alright, so she's got this belt that's, I mean belt, yeah, belt. Which helps, it really makes the dress give her shape. So, pretty nice. And she's got these earrings as well. Almost looks like jewels, but actually no, it doesn't. Oh, okay. Yeah, at this point, yeah, she looks fantastic. Alright, she's got silver underwear. Love that. And yeah, I think this belt comes off her as well. Yeah, it's like a Velcro. And it doesn't look like it has the heel problem, because it looks like you could easily just slip it on and off. Unlike Harper. Harper and Jewel's other one. Jewel's other shoes. Fantastic. I just love it. Now let's move on to her second outfit. Now here are her other heels, her second heels. Can't see that. Very simple. Very, very simple. Easy to put on. It has also a jewel on it as well. It seems to me it would match pretty well with her first outfit, just because she's got like a jewel there as well, and in her earrings as well. But anyway, you can mix and match anything, obviously. Like I said before, she can wear anything and she'll look great. So alright, so she's got a leather jacket with roses on her shoulders. It seems like it seems to be like a sleeveless leather jacket with roses on roses on her shoulders. Looks nice. I like the material. Now her skirt. It's very detailed. So she's studs at the front, stud imitation pockets. Oh, I didn't show you the jacket. Yeah, shoulders for the jacket. Yeah, it's really good, really, really good. Alright. Top. Difficulty taken out because I don't want to rip it. Studded. It's a studded top. Very good. Very nice. It's like a flower almost. So yeah, it's got the same material as the skirt. It's the same material as everything. Mostly. But you can probably give this to another Shadow High doll and they'll look pretty good. This is Shanelle's signature dress here. Like, she wears it throughout the show. Honestly, hopefully she gets more screen time, because at the time of this video, she hasn't really shown too much at all. She's only been shown at the very start of the Shadow High introduction, and throughout Rainbow Vision. She hasn't really made an appearance, only to like before the 3 divas. I think it's the 3 divas. I don't know if they're called the divas, but one looks like Beyonce as well. But they're the ones who started singing, and then Jill Ritchie sort of. Oh wait, no, they started singing, and then the Devious Twins sort of. Oh, not the Devious Twins. The Devious Twins. They're trying to sabotage the whole Rainbow Vision thing, which really annoys me. But hey, there needs to be drama. Yeah, the Devious Twins rip their outfits, and then Jill comes over and says that someone's been sabotaging, someone's messed with my designs, blah, blah, blah. And they're like, I see Shanelle with Jill, which is like, they don't interact, they just sort of like fix the dress by pulling out a thread, which is okay. But that's it. Sorry, like a postman just outside my house talking. Yeah, so that's Shanelle for you. Now, hopefully this video is long enough to make a video of, because most of them I'm just talking about the show itself and the other thing. Anywho, what is this? I don't know what happened. Anywho, so this is Shanelle for you. Oh, one thing you should take away from this video is that you should get her. She's gorgeous. Love her. I love her makeup. Like white, with black eyeliner, and glitter inner eye, like that glitter under eye, black eyeliner, and like almost a grey eyeshadow. Really clean her arms. Aside from that, she's beautiful. Now she's gonna stand next to Phaedra, even though she should be standing next to Ash here because she's at school. But anywho, thanks for watching my little Barrelicious burritos. We are moving out.
Give it to me like